friends, and welcome to my channel where we DIY and decorate on a budget. And in today's video, we are going to be adding some fall touches to my kitchen. I am really excited about this because this is going to be my first fall decorate with me. Please let me know down in the comments if you have started decorating for fall, and if you have, or I guess even if you haven't, what colors do you plan to use this year? I am seeing such a variety of things from blues and purples and pinks to neutrals and then traditional oranges and reds. Let me know down in the comments what colors you're going to be decorating with this year. Today I will be decorating here next to my stove as well as above my microwave. This is the area of my kitchen that I am going to be decorating today. Now don't mind the brick backsplash as I'm in the middle of a kitchen DIY makeover. Today's video is part of the Fall Kitchen Vignette collab that is hosted by Denise Jordan and Leona Dooley. So be sure to check out the playlist I have linked below so you can check out more fall kitchen decor inspiration. To begin, I will be using a tray as the base for my first vignette. I don't have a lot of counter space in this kitchen, so a tray is ideal for decorating so that I can easily move it if I need the space, especially with all the fall baking I am planning on doing. And to the tray, I am going to be adding 2 baskets that I picked up at a thrift store, and I'm just going to lean them up against the back of the wall as a backdrop for this vignette. And then I also went looking through my cookbooks and was specifically looking for ones that would color coordinate with my fall colors for this year. So I chose 2 that have kind of an orange color, and then the 2 Magnolia table cookbooks because those ones look good actually with any season, and I'm just going to prop them up on the side here. Now I do want this tray to be purposeful as well, so I am adding 2 of my cooking oils to the tray, as well as this white pitcher to hold some of my cooking utensils. And I am going to display my wooden utensils in the pitcher just because I like the wood. I think it adds warmth in the fall and even in the winter. This cute and super simple DIY I made is perfect to put in this vignette. The black adds that pop to break up all the neutrals that I have going on right here. And it was a DIY using Dollar Tree supplies. And this small brass bucket was another thrift store find, and I think that the brass looks so good in fall decor, so I'm going to add it in the front here just to hold some greenery as well as some fall touches. And this is just part of a pick from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to place it on the one side. This kind of adds a little pop of orange. And then these little pieces here are also from Dollar Tree. They are in the fall florals. And I wanted to add a little bit of this in here just because it has that like the creams and the yellowy tips on the end, so it kind of dulls the bright green. It makes it look a little bit more fall. And I'm also going to add a couple of pumpkins. Again, these are also from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to add a white one and a little orange one. Now for the second vignette, I am using this cutting board as my base. And to that, I am going to be adding this thrifted cloche with a few small pumpkins displayed in it. Now to that, I am going to add this cute little container that I made with mini apples. This was another recent DIY, and it was simple, and again, using Dollar Tree supplies. And then to the right, I am going to add this small amber glass bottle with a little sunflower in it. And here is how the two vignettes look together. Let me know what you think down in the comments. And if you would like to see more Decorate With Me videos, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. And I would love to have you join my DIY and decor family by hitting that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.